In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create free Notion forms. If you already use Notion for notes or project tracking, adding a simple form can help you gather input in a clean, structured way without paying for extra tools. All you need is your Notion workspace on the desktop app or the browser. We'll start by creating a new page. Open your workspace and click New Page in the sidebar. Choose a blank page so you begin with a clean slate, and give the page a clear title so you can find it later. You can add an icon or cover if you like, but the important part is that you have a fresh page ready to hold the form. Next, type a / to open Notion's command menu. Then type the word form and press enter. The / command is the fastest way to insert blocks in Notion, and typing form filters the menu so you can drop in the form block immediately. If your menu is crowded, keep typing until you see form, then confirm. A form block will appear on your page, and you can start editing right away. Click to add questions, choose a field type such as short text, long text, number, select, multi-select, checkbox, or date, and write concise prompts so respondents know exactly what to provide. Mark important fields as required. Add helpful descriptions for context, and drag fields up or down to arrange them in a logical order. Keep the form short and scannable. Fewer, clearer fields typically mean higher completion rates. Use consistent wording. Avoid double-barreled prompts, and when choice lists are long, sort them alphabetically to reduce friction. As you make changes, Notion saves automatically, so you can iterate safely. If the form supports a compact or spacious layout, pick the one that suits how much text you expect in responses, and check spacing so the form remains easy to read. And there you go. You created a new page, summoned the form block with the / command, and customized the fields to fit your needs. Before you move on, skim through the form top to bottom and pretend you're filling it out. Look for any unclear wording, reorder anything that feels out of place, and trim anything that isn't essential. When everything reads smoothly, you're done. That's all. You now know the quickest path to creating free Notion forms, starting from a blank page to a polished, usable form, all within your existing workspace.